Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I am showing you exactly how to upload large files to GitHub without getting those annoying storage errors. By default, GitHub blocks files larger than 100 megabytes, but we can easily bypass this using Git Large File Storage, or Git LFS. Let's get right to it. First, you need to make sure you have both regular Git and Git LFS installed on your computer. You can find the installer on the official Git LFS website. Once installed, open your terminal or Git bash, navigate to the folder where your cloned repository is located, and type git LFS install. You only have to run this command once per user account, and it sets up all the necessary hooks in your system. Next, you need to tell Git LFS exactly which types of files it should be tracking. For example, if you were trying to upload a massive video file or a large PDF, you would type git LFS track followed by the file extension in quotes, like *.pdf. This creates or updates a special file in your repository called .git attributes. This file acts as a set of instructions telling Git to handle these specific large files differently than your regular lightweight code files. Then, you just add and commit your files exactly like you normally would. First, type git add.git attributes to make sure that new tracking instruction file is staged. After that, type git add followed by your large file name. Type your standard git commit command with a short message, and then finally type git push. As it pushes to the server, you will notice a slightly different output in your terminal as Git LFS handles the heavy lifting, uploading your massive file to a separate storage server while just keeping a lightweight text pointer inside your actual GitHub repository. And that is it! You can now upload huge assets to your projects without breaking GitHub. If this quick guide saved your repository today, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tutorials. See you in the next one.